Hello everyone, this is Coach Julio and hope my message finds you and your family well. So if you're a health or fitness professional, Group X, strength coach, wellness coach, we have something in common. That means that we work and we are privileged to have in our life clients or athletes that come from a diverse background. That being said, whether you know it or not, you are actually viewed as a leader, and sometimes even as a leader in your community. Not probably sometimes, very likely all the time. So why I'm doing this message is to let you know that tomorrow I will be doing an open discussion forum about racism, the elephant in the room in our industry, health and fitness, and how we, with our collective effort, can use our platform, whether it's social media, if you speak in person, whatever you do, how we can use it to open a discussion about how we can work together. And just to acknowledge it. Acknowledging is the first thing. And again, backpedaling, it's just for us to just use our platform and our network to say we are aware and we are part of the solution. Those are powerful things that we can do today. Just to say we acknowledge and we want to be part of the solution and to reach out to all of our, throughout our network that we care. So tomorrow I will be doing a Zoom. The link, I will post it later, but you can DM me. Everyone can make a difference in this world, and I just would like to open up a forum so we all can get together, speak, discuss, and we can go from there and put our words into action. So I'm looking forward to meeting each and every one of you. Until then, take care.